Baby girl. Standing on her own 2 feet. Oh!
Wow.
Did that feel good?
Explosion.
Perfect timing. Well, oh, and some drool. Just drooled on Dad.
Nap after that?
Took a lot out of you, huh? Oh boy, I just pooped my pants. Just pooped my pants. Can't believe I just captured that on film.
Alright, let's watch it. You don't need to keep recording.
No, I wanted to get her dancing around a little bit. I wasn't trying to capture the magic of her pooping her pants.
I don't know if she has any more in her after that.
That was a good one. We started that during the bath. We completed it now, that's for sure. Whee! I'm such a big girl. She's pooped. Pooped after that pooped. Oh.
What? Holy cow. Thanks for sharing.
Baby Nat. You're all fresh and clean, now you just blew up your pants. You got any more? Got any more in there? I pooped. Guess those dances just got her. Most babies like to sit, you know, when they poop, I think. Their legs usually like to be up. She likes her legs straight. It's weird. You're different. You're unique. Good night. I'm all pooped out, Dad. She just fart.
Yeah.
There it is.
She's like, you could tell she squeezed it like her butt.
I know.
Gassy, dang.
Natalie.
Not usually this gassy.
It's probably still from that sauerkraut the other night. You're terrific. I love you.